Hello YouTube vintage stereo fans and Dynaco collectors and restorers. Here's the Stereo 120 with all the power supply components back in. I made a capacitor packet up out of 2200 microfarads. Tried stuffing the can, couldn't get the can apart. I've never seen one like this. Whatever that black goo was inside wasn't letting go of the capacitor. So I did it this way, and you can see the board right there. New transistors, new metal film resistors, new diodes on it. Everything just beefed up a little bit. Half watt resistors are now 1 watt or 2 watt. The transistors, the tip 32C, tip 41C, and the MG802 through 6,000 microfarads, and it's on and it's running 74.9 volts, running into a load. Now I'm going to shut the power supply off, and I just want to show you. So listen for the click. Just turned it off. Now look at how long it hangs on. This is a good indication of the kind of bass that this unit's going to have. It's going to be great. It'll be a really strong unit. Give you a little shot here. Yeah, so there's 4 2200s in that pack. There's 1,000 there in that clamp mounted one. And so the next thing I'm moving on to are these boards. Wish me luck. Thanks for watching and listening.